Okay, one more little experiment. There we go. So, SEO Kensington in London, another really posh area. As you can see, there are 500,000 results here, just over, nearly 600,000. You got an ad ranks first, and then you got another ad, another ad. So 4 people paying to get on this ranking, and then there's me, Darren Boyle, SEO Kensington, London. So, and look, I've even got my picture. So I've even got a rich snippet in there. Now, if we scroll down, I'm above the map pack, literally the very first organic ranking there. Everyone else here is an SEO agency. They're all trying to go for the same traffic. Right, so why is this special? Let me show you quickly. The date today, Monday the 9th, 2022. Just refresh that so you know it's all real. Monday the 9th, 2022. Have a look when I built that page. So the 7th of May, 2022. 9th of May, I built the page on the 7th of May and published it about 3:30 in the afternoon. Yeah, so in just a few days, got the #1 ranking on a page where 4 people are paying to be there, 5.5 million competing pages, and I've taken the #1 ranking in just a couple of days.